On this day, I made crunchy granola, like from the comfort of my kitchen. Store-bought granola can be good, but making granola from the comfort of my kitchen is one of the things I enjoy doing. So for this recipe, you just need oats, apples, pear, olive oil, honey, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. I made this granola specifically for my sister because she's allergic to nuts. So she said she wants something plain and simple. And I've actually been like responding to make it for her. So for this recipe, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of honey. She said she needs the honey to taste, and I added cinnamon. At this point, I went in with my oats. I actually didn't measure it. I was just pouring it. She said that she needed large. So I decided to measure it actually. So write in the comment section which country are you watching me from, and will you be trying this recipe? After adding my oats, I turned it with all the wet ingredients I added, and then I went in with my grated apple and pear and a pinch of salt. One thing about making my granola at home is that I just like the fact that I am sure of the ingredients, and I'm sure that there are no preservatives. The last time I bought granola from the store, it was too sugary. Like I couldn't even eat. So I evenly spread the mixture on the tray and I baked it in the oven for 250-degree 45 minutes to 1 hour because of the wet ingredients, the pear and the apple. Unless you want it less crunchy. Though yours can take maybe lesser time or longer time depending on the quantity of the granola. And honestly, at this point, the smell in my kitchen was just incredible. You know the granola is ready when it turns crispy and lightly toasted. Look at that texture. And I added more raisin to the mixture, looking slightly caramelized and toasted and loaded with flavor. And feel the crunchiness. This is the kind of homemade snack that feels healthy and it still tastes like you're still indulging. And the best part is just wholesome ingredients. Tell me in the comment section, would you try apple and pear granola? For more healthy homemade recipe, please subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.